Hey, good morning. It's Tristan here from Zebra Invest. Need to sew the shirt. I was giving you the start of my series, which is Tristan's Secret Sauce series, which hopefully is going to run over the next few weeks and run through various different bits. So today I'm looking at how to refurbish a property and get the best bang for your buck. So at the moment I'm currently focusing on an HMO that we're doing, and we're trying to keep the cost down to an absolute minimum. The idea is to try and refurbish an HMO, add 2 bedrooms, all for £10,000. So, how to do that? So I'm just standing here this morning in my kitchen at home, but one of the best bits you can do to save money is simply go around your kitchen. When you've got it, chances are the doors are going to be absolutely knackered. And then what you can do is just measure every single one. So I have come a cropper before, and there can be problems with doing this. But if you measure them and you've got a slightly older kitchen, you can head straight to, say, B&Q, and then you can get those doors and replace them. So it costs roughly £900 to be able to reface a kitchen. And that's a massive cost saving on probably about the £2,500 that it would cost to do the whole thing from scratch. Then fitting those doors, you can get, say, a carpenter to do it or do it yourself. But it shouldn't take a carpenter more than maybe a day or 2 days to do it, which is probably going to cost anything between £240 for the 2 days to £300. So that's, £1,200 to reface a kitchen. And then on walking in, people then look at the property and think it looks like it's brand new. So it's a really simple trick to be able to add a lot of value to a property. And especially when you've got a valuer then coming around at the end and they're turning around looking at that HMO and thinking, you know what, that's a way to add value to it. So they'll look at it and think, well, there's a new kitchen sitting there. So all you have to do is just check those units inside, that they're good condition, they're worthwhile keeping hold of, and then you can go from there. Personally, I've done this now on about 2 or 3 kitchens, and the difference afterwards is pretty incredible. So to do this is a little bit time consuming just to work it out in the first place, but if you measure every single door, and then you'll find out what to replace it with. So the good thing to point out is with your cabinets and your existing units, sometimes if it's been built in probably about the last 10 years, that's when Magnets, Howdens and people like that started changing the size of their doors. Before that, everything was all standardised and all the same. So you used to just be able to order the same doors from anywhere and swap them all out, but they've obviously changed it to make it so you have to go buy a new kitchen or to keep buying from them. So when you measure them up, make sure you then head off and have a look. You can also have a look online to find different types that you like as well. But a good example with this, even say with this kitchen here, this one's only actually about 6 years old, and what you could do simply with this one is just sand down all the worktops. 1 or 2 of the bits where they've been cleaned around the bottom, there's just little end panels and bits that could just be replaced there to make it all look nice and bring it up together. So refacing kitchens is probably one of my #1 tips to adding value to a property. It costs you the smallest amount to do it, and anywhere you're going to be in the country is going to increase the value of your property. So tomorrow, I'm going to be doing a series of Secret Sauce, and trust me, I've got some rather good little details to give away. Tomorrow I'm going to be running through flooring and how you can add value to a property just through introducing new floors into the property. Hopefully this will help. If you've got any questions, anything you'd like me to cover, drop a comment in below, and hopefully I can help you out. Alright, catch you later and see you tomorrow.